Today we're going to show you how to mount the IQ panel on the wall. First, you need to find the best location in the home to place your panel. Ideally, you want to find a place in the middle of the home to optimize range for your encrypted security, life safety, and Z-Wave devices. Also consider the habits of the homeowner. Which doors do they use the most as they come and go, and where the most convenient point of access for the panel will be. And don't forget to find a spot with available power. Next, we're going to run our power wire. You can either use the included 5-foot long cable with a barrel jack connector, or you can run your own wire to the screwless terminal block. If you choose to use your own wire, we recommend using 18 2-gauge, and make sure that you keep it less than 25 feet long. This will ensure that the panel is adequately powered. Start by removing the rear access cover. Because we're mounting the panel to the wall, you don't need this part, so just simply throw it away. Remove the back plate by pushing down on the 2 tabs located at the bottom of the panel. Now that we have the back plate removed, we can mount it to the wall using a single, double, or triple gang mounting hole. Make sure your back plate's level before you tighten the screws. Remember to leave the bottom screw hole open. You'll use this to route your antenna. Use the provided hang strap to free up your hands during the install. Using a small screwdriver or similar tool, poke a hole through the wall large enough to feed the antenna through. The antenna is flexible, so it'll take a little work to get it through the wall. This next part could be a little tricky, but watch what I do and it can help. Notice these 4 tabs on the top of the back plate. They correspond to the 4 points at the top of the panel. To mount the panel properly, rest it on those tabs at about a 45-degree angle. Wiggle it left and right a little bit and you'll feel it fall into place. Next, hinge it downward and use one finger to push the antenna into the wall as far as it will go. As long as the antenna and hanging strap are in place, you can simply snap the panel closed. If you notice a gap at the top, this just means the tabs are not seated properly. Pinch the top until it clicks into place. After you've connected the wire to the panel, it's time to wire up the transformer. Make sure to only use the included 5.5 volt DC power supply. Using a different power supply could result in permanent damage. Take note to wire the positive and negative leads properly. If using the provided wire, the striped one with the red connector is positive. Remove the existing screw from the outlet cover. Insert the power supply into the retainer bracket. Use the provided zip tie to secure the power supply to the retainer bracket. Then peel the adhesive off and secure it to the wall with the screw provided. And that's it! Power up the panel by pressing the power button for 3 seconds, and then it's ready to use.